Okay, so we're just gonna jump right in. Today we are doing a review slash unboxing of the Louis Vuitton adjustable monogram strap. So my mom was recently in Paris. Sorry about the noise as I'm unboxing this. My mom was recently in Paris and I asked her to pick this up for me because Louis Vuitton is so much cheaper in Paris than it is here in the States. And I've been wanting this strap for a while. So I thought, okay, I'm just gonna bite the bullet and do it. This was 160 euro, which is roughly 177, 178 American dollars. And I don't remember how much this is here. I will put it up on the screen, but it was definitely a significant savings. So this is the strap. This is 16 millimeters long and it is adjustable. It has the belt buckle style adjusting strap on one side. So I wanted this strap because if you watch my other video, if you haven't, go check it out, where I reviewed this purse, the 𝙭Felicie, and the bandolier strap that I bought, which is like a guitar style strap, which I love and I wear it often. I've been carrying it a lot lately. I love this strap, but it does have this pop of red, which it doesn't go with everything. And then the chain strap that comes with the Felicie is a little bit more delicate, more for when you want to dress up. I do wear the chain strap often, but it does have a more delicate look. So I wanted something that didn't have the bold red accent, but that wasn't the chain strap, that I could wear as an everyday strap with my Felicie. But then I also wanted something that I could mix and match and remix and wear a couple different ways, just to get a lot of life and longevity out of my purchase. So real quick, we'll just go over the features of the strap, and then I'm also posting a styling video where I'm going to show you a few different ways to style this purse strap that are a little out of the ordinary, just so you can have fun with your purchase, or if you happen to have it and you've gotten bored of it and you want some new ways to style it, there'll be a couple ways in that video. So this strap has two lobster claw clips at the end. So they have this spring-loaded clip. It swivels and it is stamped with the words Louis Vuitton. Then the monogram canvas strap slides through this lobster claw hook and has a button grommet closure that's also stamped with Louis Vuitton on it. And then, as you see, you can come up this way. If you come up on this side, it has the adjustable strap. So I want to say there's 2, 4, 6, there's 7 adjustable options. I can't think of the word, but it's basically like a belt. So you have 7 holes you can adjust this in to make it shorter. And then you have the leather details here that hold the end of the strap in place, which is nice. Then as you come around to the top of the strap, there is a shoulder pad, the monogram canvas shoulder pad with the rubberized back on it. And then when you come around this end, it's finished the same as the other side with the button grommet and the swivel spring-loaded lobster claw hook. I love this strap. The one thing I wish was different though, I wish that the shoulder pad was leather. I feel like with the leather details here, I don't understand why this isn't leather. I feel like the rubber makes it a little more stiff than I would have liked. But I do like the solid look of the monogram canvas on this side. But yeah, I wish this was leather. I think it's kind of weird that it's not leather, but that's not something that I really noticed when I was looking on the website. And since I didn't purchase this in person, it was one of those things that just is a complete afterthought for me. But yeah, the biggest difference between this strap, let me pull this one off of my Felicie, and this strap is also, it's twice as small. So this strap is much thicker, that guitar strap style. This strap is half the width, almost half the width of the bandolier. And this bandolier is adjustable. I do have a whole review on it if you want to check that out once again. But it's adjustable with these, but like more of a button. It's a I don't know what the phrase for it would be, but they're holes, and then the holes just pop over this button, and that's how it's adjustable from both ends. So this is the shortest it goes. This will adjust longer. But yeah, that's the biggest difference between these two straps. And then also just the style of the spring-loaded clip is a little different. Just the shape. It has a different shape. So yeah. I like this because, as you'll see when I put it on the purse, it just has a nice uniformed look. Just that monogram all the way throughout the strap and the purse. So yeah, that's it. Pretty quick review, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Check out the styling video that I will post, and check out the review I did on the Felicie and the bandolier strap if you haven't already watched it. I'll talk to you ladies soon. Bye.